I wake up in the morning, see my mother and my brother and my sister. I say good morning in a row. I say it in a culture. Roots and culture mean love to one another.
What's up, guys? We're Dastanas, and we're gonna take you on a nature walk today. Oh. A little different type video. We're gonna vlog it out. Cool. Look at that green ass moss. Illuminati confirmed.
But they all do sort of the same thing, and that is rearrange what you thought was real. And they remind you of the beauty of very simple things. You forget, because you're so busy going from A to Z, that there's 24 letters in between.
Good old Georgia nature walks.
This isn't even a good part yet.
It's gonna get so much better.
I think it's about a 5-mile walk. Probably not gonna walk the full 5 miles.
We're gonna walk most of it.
We're gonna find some cool spots to sit and vape on the dr.dabber.
The dr.dabber. Cause you know, Dr. Dabber be that brand. Bam bam. Number 2. Look at this stumpy stump. This stumpity stump. So Dastanas is happy to bring you along on our journey today. Look at this badass tree. Oh! Oh! Oh, dude. Yeah, oh, one more time. I want to try it now. Check out this tree, you guys.
That there's
So what do you guys think about the channel so far? We have a discussion section, so let's get a discussion going. What are some ideas for videos? We're always looking for new content. Shit. Yeah, shit. Okay, we got like some ideas already. We're gonna finish the Cannabistery series, of course. We're probably gonna do some walkthroughs if we can line something up with a few smoke shops around the area. We got fall coming, so there's gonna be some cool bonfire vids, just chilling videos. We got a couple more glass reviews. We'll probably be doing more stuff like this too, since the fall's coming. Leaves are changing colors. Yeah, autumn's the shit. But yeah. We're at the fork in the road. Looks as though we should take a break and assess the situation. Alright guys, check out this dope creek. We're on the Walnut Trail. Nicholas is gonna take a little dab here. Let's check out that shirt. This dope shirt.
Ooh, it's the Simpsons, guys. Y'all already know.
Nice.
You already know.
I think it's the 5 clicks, and then you're good to go.
Blue light special. Dr.
I love that sound. We're about to watch Nick fall. Alright, let's get back on the trail, I guess. Oh. What's next? Be careful there, the rocks are getting slippy. This went from a nature walk to a treacherous hike. Mission to get back to the car after we get some awesome footy. Check out this creek, you guys. You want to go get a little closer look? What do you think, Nick? Let's go see what's happening down here. We're gonna be wet as fuck by the time we get back. That's okay. Got out the house, that's all that matters. Look at those roots, you guys. How excited are y'all for autumn? All this green's gonna be turning rainbow. I already see it kind of turning. Already got some change coming. We live next to this dam. I drive by it to go to work pretty much every day. And if you look to either side, you just see like at least a couple miles each way over the lake. And when the trees change colors, it's like the most beautiful sight ever. Oh, we got a little critter in here hanging out with us. Mr. Slug. It's Gary the snail. Meow. This is why we do it, folks. This is why we fucking do it. Fucking majestic shit right here. Found another cool little spot. Alright, we're almost out. Let's go. But yeah, well, let us know what you think. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel.
subscribe to the channel.
And we are Dastanas.
We the Stoners, baby.